Hello everyone, now I will explain how to pairing a smart lock. Firstly, download Raizo Access app from Google Play Store or Apple App Store. You can register an account by email or mobile number. After registering, select Add Door Lock. You need to touch the smart door lock in order to activate it. Then you will see a list of available door locks in your vicinity. Add your own door lock. After successful pairing, you can enter a name for your smart door lock. There are several ways to unlock the door. The first way is to unlock the door directly with the app. The first person to pair the smart lock will be the master of the smart lock. Only with master authorization could create authorized admin for family members and tenants. Keep your Bluetooth on during pairing of smart lock for registration, such as fingerprint and RFID card. Smart lock owner can start by registering own fingerprints to unlock the smart lock.
Please press again. Please press again. Please press again. Input successful.
Then, following register passcode, click custom and turn on button set as permanent and key in your name with your preferred PIN code. The passcode function can be set as timed, one-time PIN, custom PIN and etc. Next, to pair the RFID card, you can go to Add Card. After registration is done, there will be two emergency features to unlock. Firstly, mechanical key. You may store the mechanical key at safe place, preferably not inside the house. Second emergency feature is to use power bank to unlock the lock. Next, electronic security lock. For electronic security lock feature, you could lock your door from inside. It is an anti-panic function. It's designed to reinforce protection so that no one from outside could enter the lock using a fingerprint, passcode or card. You can use admin passcode to unlock the lock. The admin passcode can be found in the setting, Basics Admin Passcode. If you wish to turn off this security lock function, you may click off the button in the Raizo Access app. Second, passage mode. It allows the lock to remain open during the time and day, as per your settings or according to your settings. You may need to lock the smart lock once to activate passage mode once it is on. Well, we already understand basic function of smart door lock. If you require further information, you may refer to Raizo Access User Guide. Have a nice day and goodbye.